Alkaline can't survive without vybzkartel. Trust me. Alkaline cannot survive his name without vybzkartel.
A few moments later.
Why you fi compare Alkaline, the man is student to the WORLDBOSS thief. The man come from prison by new
2,000 years later.
And, you know, a lot of people gonna come at me, especially Gaza fans, but he represents for the culture, the Alkaline, right?
Alkaline.
Yeah, this.
Oh my God.
The facts, you know. People see a brother run out, and we have to just address this because look at now, I'm going to expose a lot of things. I tell you, a lot of things I'm going to expose in that video, yeah. And look at me, I don't want the people get misled and fooled because what you hear them say, you see when you're looking through in the vision, nothing happen. You understand? I'm going to tell you what run the media, hype and clout. That's all when them talk, I just that me about. Listen what that brother say.
Okay, it's a blessing. Let's talk about it. Keyman, vybzkartel. Alkaline say man Keyman, but who really is the Keyman? Vybzkartel. Without vybzkartel, Dancehall was dead.
You see, this are the thing women rate. When people come out and make them statement, yeah. You see, that's what I tell you, say, yo, a dancehall alone, me say, do them thing, yeah. The man say, if Cartel never in a dancehall or never come out, dancehall would have dead. So wait, dancehall wasn't before Cartel. A dancehall, wait there, who created dancehall? Bro, some of the time we on the talk, brother, like, me I say, yo, when that company media, bro, say some factual thing, bro. Bro, Alkaline drop a lot of songs. Get the point wrong. Let me tell you this, brother. Alkaline just drop one song and it a mash up the place. It a tear up dancehall. From Cartel come out, me never saw no go and talk about Cartel. Yo, the thing wanna do with Alkaline, Keyman, the way the people them talk, me never hear no song where Cartel drop with them just a talk about. So the only song we close to that and when him just forward and him drop the one bo him just forward and them career shot like Nicki Minaj. And the reason why that really go viral, brother, one, him just fall from prison, and two, they must say you are Alkaline him at this. Bro, you're a madman. You understand? You don't know what is Keyman, bro. None of Cartel song them, we never see them react to it, review it, talk about it. Alkaline just one song and a shake up the dancehall right now, bro. It's like we don't realize what go on, brother. You understand? But listen to what I say, people.
I know, just the one back in, man. In the industry, I was totally confused. Myself, I have never put my phone in my hands, went on Spotify, went on YouTube, and type in Alkaline. Never.
Yo, people, are the same brother here, you know. That same brother here always a come out and I say, yo, Alkaline drop mad song and everything, you know. Bro, you looking at your eye, in your face alone know you're lie, brother. You understand? In your face, you know you're lie, bro. Cause, yo, enough of them people will forward out, you know. Them wishy-washy, you know. Today them say Ray and tomorrow them say this. You understand?
I have never done that, I swear. I swear, I have never, ever done that before. Never.
You hear, this are the thing. You see when you lie, you swear more than 3 times. If you say you not do it, you not do it. Why you have to swear so much time? Bro, I tell him, say, if the great man could have just send down something and bust on the head, him that do it.
So, how is it that he's a key man to the industry and many people does listen to Alkaline?
Why, may I tell you, brother? Then if no people not listen to Alkaline, brother, how you are come talk about Keyman now? How one song so powerful? If a man is not the Keyman and him name always a call, brother. Right now, if Alkaline never in a dance and nobody in the road now made the thing with Cartel, bro. The only reason why now a true Cartel just fall from prison, bro. And him a do what him a do. You don't understand, you know, when the reality hit, you know, at them time they go realize, you know, brother. You know what he said? Nobody now really talk about nothing with Cartel musically really like that, brother. Nobody. Right now, they must feel look for collab theme over Africa right now. Him and Skilly Benga do something right now. Right now, Cartel need help musically, bro. The only song you hear them talk about are God the greatest, and because it's a God. That's all. Nothing else no dead, bro. Them not talk about Cartel music like how them talk about Alkaline and review it. And that's facts, bro. So not talk about Keyman. One look youth. Drop one song. Wake up dancehall. Everybody brave up, you know, everybody in a war mode, everything. Everybody a talk about it. You understand? Alkaline have angry brother. I man do an interview with you. I must talk about interview me ever see Missy Cartel come out and do about 50 interview. Me no hear them talk about interview like how they talk about Alkaline interview, bro. You know no sense. It's like the right front of the eyes and you not realize. But you know go and be biased car. Remember you know reality hit you know. You know not go put on mute.
We all know that many people do not listen to Alkaline. So how is he a Keyman? Vybz Kartel is dancehall. Vybz Kartel allow what's happening now in dancehall to be happening.
So what happening in a dancehall make dancehall happen? What Cartel do? Do some shows, people be not do shows, bro. Stop it, brother. Because Cartel now do nothing musically for dancehall, bro. He's not doing nothing musically for dancehall. Bro, you no need to stop company media and a chat one bag of shit, bro. Cartel now do nothing for dancehall musically, brother. You understand? The man thing wash up and you know for talk the fact, bro. You understand? A man found out and drop nearly about 30 songs. I mean, you none of now come out and talk about it like how not talk about Keyman. I want to say you're a Gaza fan. You talk about Alkaline music every time Alkaline drop. I say Alkaline drop priority where they. Guys, you run out. You not give them reaction here. Me never see you do a video with one of Cartel song like this and talk about it. For sure, no, bro. Alkaline are the key man. Because you call him name in everything. Cartel post up on picture and say, yo, see the Alkaline can't do this. Bro, you sick.
So how is Alkaline a Keyman? I'm totally confused. Totally confused. If Vybz Kartel decided to walk back in prison right now, just to walk back in prison, just for the fun of it, just to sit down and rest and read some book.
People, listen what I'm going to say now. I actually say no sense.
Nobody will be looking in a dancehall again.
People, and this is what I like. The man say if Cartel walk go back in a prison, nobody now look on dancehall again. Jano. Yo, me I tell you now. Yo. Yo, me I tell you, dancehall genre and the fans them, some of them people, yo, it don't good enough. The man say if Cartel walk go back in a prison, there's no dancehall. Bro, you sick in on the head, brother. Bro, dancehall did it before Cartel forward the night, bro. Remember say a bounty them carry money night, brother. You just keep on and say man is dancehall. Bro, you know no sense. And that with uno, brother, uno get trick. Bro, Cartel come out after 13 years. You know, say it's this is all a prison hype, you know. It's all a prison result, you know, getting a brother. When it go back to reality, you know, go understand. Right now, they must try to make Cartel get back a big song, brother. Right now, them trying. You understand? You don't realize that everything, see the man and Skilly Bang, I go do a song. Alkaline drop about Keyman, and him say something about Keyman tonight, bro. At that I carry the swing with him, brother. If Alkaline never in a dancehall, bro, they always can remember the two artists them a feed off of each other, brother. You have to understand that. You understand? Say if Alkaline never in a dancehall, Cartel wouldn't have get that. Infants them would have reel up because every other artist bow team already. Alkaline keep it going, bro. And it's like you don't understand. You don't realize if I'm Cartel come from prison, the first time him drop them call Alkaline, say Alkaline him attack. You don't realize, bro. Remember say Alkaline in a media, you know. A Cartel alone, you know. All Alkaline do a drop music. Bro, you know no sense.
Think about it. When Vybz Kartel was in prison, right? You notice Alkaline took away himself. Alkaline can't survive without Vybz Kartel. Trust me.
Bro, you a madman, you know. But tell me about you Gaza, man. You love man, really.
Cannot survive his name without Vybz Kartel. Him can't come out and just sing some song while Vybz Kartel is out. I make him here. No, him have to sing subliminal shots.
Bro, you're a madman, dog. You're a madman, brother. You're a madman. Look how much his song Alkaline drop, bro. Look how much his song Alkaline drop. And people still talk about it, bro. Alkaline drop parity where they. People are forward out and I say him drop girl song and Ray and this, that. Before that, Alkaline been a drop song, brother. And people are talk about it. So me not understand where you try to say. You say Alkaline have to drop subliminal shots after Cartel film sang them. For them talk about it, bro, you're a madman, brother. And that with Uno, you know, dog. Uno depend this love man mentality, you know, bro. Everything what Alkaline do, yeah, I can't tell him attack. Bro, Uno love man too much, brother. Uno love man too much. Uno focus on music. So Alkaline can't do no music right now without even try to mention Cartel name. You understand? Bro, yo, no sense.
Yeah, him can't just sing song and make a name. Me telling you this before in many vlogs. If Vybz Kartel was out the road while Alkaline was making music, there would not be an Alkaline today. Me telling you that before.
Bro, yo, people, you not hear them dumb Gaza man still talk. The man said Cartel did their road, they wouldn't dare about Alkaline. Bro, you're a madman, you know. Then what you a try say now? What you watch yourself Cartel did there with Alkaline? Me not understand. Well, you know what you try to tell me, say? Cartel I use badness. Because if I did music, you would not talk so, brother. When Cartel they are prison, don't did I release music? Don't only that say you did I run the place? Don't Alkaline did still run the place same way? Eh? Alkaline never did drop its song with same way when Cartel did a drop its song. So what you say if Cartel did their road? Why difference? Because the two artists them are artists where I do music. So what you try say? If Cartel did their road, wow, Cartel wouldn't stop him song them or badness or Alkaline have a runway or what? What you try say? Cause when I say nah make no sense, brother.
Yeah, if Alkaline, if vybzkartel did their road, while Alkaline have come up in the business, Alkaline will be the Alkaline he is today. You tell them, vybzkartel would have overshadowed that a long time. It's because vybzkartel went to prison.
Bro, stop use excuses. This prison. Bro, if you say Cartel is the man, brother, why not use prison as excuse? Oh, yo, a Keyman did in prison, make him never sell this. Yo, a Keyman did in prison, and that's why this did happen. Yo, a Keyman did a 13 years a man, the this. Bro, if the man is the man is the man. Why not use prison, brother? Why what the difference with music from when him do it at prison than when they are road? You know the same music then, brother? Bro, yo, me I tell you, so no sense, you know, and that's why dancehall is like this. Because you know what you do, endorse and run with Shaggy, brother. One man can't run dancehall, bro. You understand? You think one man can push one genre, brother, cause also, bro? Una look on some jail presence, some jail absence thing in that way man do out there, brother. Una no sense. It's like reality are forward now, una nah realize, dog. Una see a internet cloud thing a go on. You know see? Look on the song with him and Skilly Bang. Actually, Alkaline do the Keyman thing, you know, brother. You understand? Make them attack, you know see? Because of Alkaline, make them talk about the song called Cartel been dropping song and video and them not talk about it. Bro, no sense.
There is an Alkaline today. So I'm totally confused when Alkaline said he is the Keyman of the dancer.
Bro, if the man drop a song named Keyman and it a mash up your whole place, people are talk about it, every little thing, bro. Artists are run out for this Alkaline array. Where that show you say? Where that show you say, bro? One man drop one song. Remember, you know, it's not a video, you know. It's just a song where everybody a listen to. Me nah see them react over Cartel music, so bro. Since him come out, everybody a watch where Alkaline gonna drop next. The man are the Keyman, bro. The man are the talk of the town, brother. Right now, if you check YouTube, a be Alkaline in the timeline. One no sense, dog. Alkaline be right now. Alkaline name been a call up without Cartel, brother. Without Cartel, brother. You understand? Remember, so one time they must say, yo, him and MASICKA. Cartel never in a equation, bro. You understand? Uno try push up Cartel, bro. Cause uno love man. You understand?
Because I can tell you this, nobody cares about Alkaline. I'm telling you.
Man say nobody cares about Alkaline, but Alkaline is the most talked about artist in a dancehall right now. Jano.
When vybzkartel in a prison again, Mr. Shono, whose name was calling in dancehall? Who was the main man in dancehall? MASICKA.
Yo, man say MASICKA to rat it. When Cartel they are prison, MASICKA. People in the comment, tell me. When Cartel they are prison, how would them MASICKA, bro? Yo, Jano. Brother, how would the people them start about MASICKA, brother? Stop it though. When Alkaline and Popcorn and mash up the place and him and the six them, MASICKA was not in the equation, bro. You know, for stop it. As since the guys start endorse MASICKA, people start give him Lookin and all of them look something, bro. Because they want to push him up against Alkaline. Dog, you know no sense, brother. MASICKA nah do nothing, dog. You know, see a Gaza give him strength, I can put him on show and all of them look something. Arena full out on every little thing right now with every artist. Him in the equation. No sense, dog.
Was that guy? Everything MASICKA. Everything MASICKA. You notice since vybzkartel come out, you don't hear that talk again. MASICKA this, MASICKA that, MASICKA. No. But you know what? I have to give MASICKA in credit. You know why?
Bro, the reason why you not hear MASICKA is because a Gaza fans did a push him thing, brother. No sense. A Gaza did a push him thing. Them they want to give him the next king, but Cartel come out because them never know. You not realize. You not sticking on the head, brother. You know see what day when MASICKA Rayma come apologize. Man a baby crooks, so no sense, dog. I use them, I use him. You understand? Because them things the Cartel never come out. No sense, brother.
Because when vybzkartel came out, right? And vybzkartel said, you know, ready for the song yet. Then he just go and enjoy freedom, you know, relax with him fiance, etc. This is before him drop the comment. See? And he just post up him video and do interview around the world, around the country, sorry, I never start traveling yet. Think about it. Everybody did I say, where the artist in there, right? Fiance, etc. This is before him drop the comment. See? And he just post up him video and do interview around the world, around the country, sorry, I never start traveling yet. everybody did I say, where the artists them there, right? How the artists them get so cool up, how they not drop no song, right?
Bro, you're mad man, you know no sense. Bro, you don't know how dancehall and likes and hype are going, brother. Bro, remember the Cartel did their prison for 13 years. The artists them did done their road and do what them do already, brother. You understand? When you know the politics already. Because what? When Cartel come out, obviously the man get the attention, bro. Them not see him for much years. Because when you start focus on way man do the interview them, all of them look something there, brother. When never, when in their prison, when you could see him, when you fear focus on the artists when they are road. You understand? So him found out now, when you pre-way him do. While the artists them still do the same, still a drop song, everything, brother. But because you don't want to run with the hype, because if you don't use Cartel for overshadow the artists them, obviously you now come talk about, yo, the artists them not drop nothing, because why? You don't look on the youth them when Cartel forward out, because you don't see Cartel how long. And that's the problem, because you know been endorsing Cartel thing, you don't focus on the youth, the younger generation. And that mash up the thing. Seem like how you say, yo, if Cartel go back in a prison, dancehall dead. When the youths them out here do it and do shows all over the world, because I feel like say Cartel at fame age soon reach 50 can still carry on dance when the man forward and release album and songs. And nobody not talk about it like how Keyman with Alkaline drop and not realize reality. Right now the mafia use percussion or something for try bring back Cartel musician thing, brother. The mafia try put him on some collab, some album with some international artists, every little thing for make him think. Bro, not understanding bro. And the little trending thing and the little we might buy house and all of them thing there. Them little thing they wanna make go viral, bro. Where which not make no sense. You understand?
Only one artist stands strong on the battlefield. Only one artist stands strong on the battlefield. And that was MASICKA. Yeah man. Everybody that asks, yo, nobody not drop no song. Where them there? Them get called up. MASICKA was the only artist.
Bro, you know no sense. Brother, you're sick in your head, brother. Bro, when you forgot to MASICKA signed to a label and them a market him thing locally, you don't realize. It's like, bro, when you're sick in on the head, bro. When you're sick in on the head. Remember some MASICKA I come from the little Gaza thing, brother. Some little hot song, bro. Zine? Oh, alright, like how Keyman a drop now, Alkaline a drop party. Where MASICKA sang them there now? Eh? Where MASICKA sang them there? Oh, nobody not talk about MASICKA song now. When you not no sense, dog. When you get trick media, trick on, and then when reality hit and go out there, it's a different result.
Stand dead strong on the battlefield when vybzkartel came out. Yeah man.
Bro, you talk about MASICKA stand strong on battlefield. Bro, you're a madman in a dog. Then wait there. Then when the show them are going and the arena them are solo, MASICKA in the equation, brother. You know no sense. You need to see a Gaza did a push MASICKA thing. Alright. When you look at thing go on a Sunfest with MASICKA and Ray, and MASICKA drop a song after that, scoop, nobody no pray it. The Gaza fan not on him side no more. You realize nobody now talk about music like that again. You don't realize the Gaza fan left him now. That's why you see music in nobody now talk about. Bro, Alkaline name been calling up when him dropping music them, bro. When Cartel come out and Cartel drop comment, them say, yo, Alkaline, him a this. Then when Alkaline drop take a girl man, them a say, yo, it look like him a say, see them take Shorty man and Ray and this that. Was MASICKA in the talk about? Eh? Was MASICKA in the talk about? Bro, no sicking on the head, you know. Sicking on the head, bro. From Cartel come out a Cartel and Alkaline, Vendetta and Gaza. You're sicking on your head, bro.
You couldn't hear about nobody else. And MASICKA alone stands strong on the battlefield. Yeah. So,
brother, what kind of battlefield MASICKA stands strong? Bro, Jano, in the comment section, beat him. Cause he come like him now. What battlefield? Which battlefield? You one little time, then say, yo, in this cartel, in come out a beg, a ball cree, bro. What kind of crew? Man, you know sick in on what battlefield man depend, brother? You know sick in on the head, bro. You know see a baby crooks that? A baby crooks.
when Alkaline said him is the Keyman, I'm totally confused. Yeah, because I can tell you this. If Alkaline decides to stop singing music right now, Vendetta alone cares. Nobody else will care. Yeah, tell Vendetta alone I go care. No one else I go care. I'm telling you the truth.
But at the end of the day, it all boil down to the fans. So I don't know what y'all try to say, bro. I don't know what y'all try to say, brother. Because if Alkaline never in a dance, nobody wouldn't have no song for your show and nobody will talk about, bro. You have to understand, you know. Bro, Alkaline are the call name forward thing, brother. If you want to get a forward call Alkaline name, you know no sense, bro. No sense, you know. You know, see Cartel thing get played out. Cartel thing come like a ads, you know, you just press skip. It's like, you know, yo, I hope when you pick on the side, you know, when reality hit, you know. I hope you have the same strength, you know. Because like, it right in front of the eyes and blind to it.
Yeah, Alkaline, Keyman, go along. without Vybz Kartel. Yeah, tell that.
Bro, you're a madman, dog. The man say Alkaline can't go without Vybz Kartel. I don't understand. The man been doing that, bro. If Alkaline could go without Vybz Kartel, bro, the man wouldn't dare today. Remember say the man have him own a fan base, you know. Almost MASICKA you attack, I can't Alkaline you attack you. Bro, Alkaline a see Cartel, brother. Almost MASICKA you attack. You're sick.
Time himself to Vybz Kartel to stay relevant. Yeah.
Man say Alkaline tie himself to Vybz Kartel to stay relevant. Brother, how much me not understand, bro. Me not understand. Alkaline not forward in the media. Him not do all of them look something, bro. You a say Alkaline a steer off a Cartel thing, bro. Like, brother, prove it. That me a try, so just prove it.
And if no, so there's gonna be a competition, meaning people that always say Alkaline this, Vybz Kartel that, Alkaline this, the fans, which is the
Brother, it shows say two man them a keep the dancehall thing going, bro. You have to understand say yo it's a energy thing. You have negative and positive, create energy. You not understand. Are the two big column in a dancehall right now where keep the thing current. You know realize when them call Cartel name, them call Alkaline. When them call Alkaline name, them call Cartel. You know realize which fan base them talk about most in the dancehall. Vendetta and Gaza. You know no sense, bro. Me I tell you say when no go school, when no usually go school, it look like when no do chemistry and physics, you know. Yeah man kinda sick. You understand?
fans, you know. But me can tell you this: if Gaza fans sit down and just let anything with Alkaline do just flow, trust me, Alkaline drown. Yeah man.
Bro, you're a madman, brother. You're a madman. Right now, bro, you don't realize Gaza fan no care about Cartel music no more. Them no care. The only reason why them did listen Cartel music when him in a prison the real way is because them couldn't see him. Bro, right now, Gaza fans review talk about Alkaline song more than how them talk about Cartel song, bro. It's like you don't realize what I go on, dog. One little song Keyman, you know, start up everything. You don't realize one song where everybody a talk about, bro. It's not the man not even drop no video. No video the youth no drop. The song alone a mash up the place where everybody, all nice street people do interview. It's like, you know, see, check on YouTube. That song the most review song in this time, bro. You understand? The amount of people that talk about it. Even you will come talk about it and you don't even realize. That's why I try to show you you is a Gaza fan. I mean never hear you come talk about Keyman, Rary and what Cartel do with film music. Me never hear enough of no business about Cartel music. That's why I say your Cartel have the wrong set of fans them. You don't pay attention to what Alkaline do and whatever Alkaline name calling a bro. You understand?
If Gaza fans just sit down and just say nothing when Alkaline drop a song and just let it flow, trust me, Alkaline drown.
But you don't realize if Alkaline no drop no song, Gaza people now nothing for talk about. They might get boring. You don't realize enough of them what you see rate Alkaline, brother, are undercover fans them. That's why in them talk when you know you're not a fan of a person, you don't see them thing, you don't see what them do. Them is an undercover fan, that's why them talk about Alkaline so much. You don't realize, bro. Them not even talk about Cartel music no more. That's why them have time to talk about. Cause what them do, them talk about Alkaline music for prep up Cartel. You know, realize that's what them do, bro. You understand? Right now, if Alkaline never in a dancehall right now, bro, that little energy and we are going around Cartel wouldn't really dead it, brother. Like that. This back and forth thing wouldn't dead it. And you don't realize, bro. A two column in a dancehall, we are keep the thing current. You understand? The thing current right now. You don't realize that most of the artists them on the Gaza side. We are rep the Gaza. Nobody now really meds them. Not talk about them popcorn. The whole of them. We say Tommy Lee, the whole of them. Them nas. See Tommy Lee drop a song recently. And them say, yo, Alkaline, them are this. For sure, you bro. It not have nothing to do with Cartel, brother. You have nothing to do with Cartel. Alkaline just drop one statement, Keyman, and everybody run out. 10 tick, how much artists run out. Bro, you know no sense, bro.
Yeah, but we can't tell you this. It now go because you always have the Gaza vlog of them on the YouTube. Always attack. Yeah man, them have attack. You know, somebody that real tell like because trust me, since Keyman drop, I've been listening to them and trust me, you want to hear them. Yeah, you want to hear them. But the Keyman in dancehall is Vybz Kartel. Yeah. Keyman in dancehall is Vybz Kartel.
Brother, you're a madman. If you feel like the Cartel are the Keyman and everything what Alkaline do get talked about the most, you're sick in your head. Cartel do 50 interview. Me no think nobody talk about that interview, 50 interview like how me see them talk about Alkaline one. Alkaline drop Keyman and it a mash up the play. It's like, yo, people, wanna see it. Everything, bro. Alkaline name called Cartel. Alright, this is the thing. vybzkartel. Cause we not realizing vybzkartel keep him first Freedom Street. And you know if you get a forward, Spice come up and call Alkaline name. Forget the forward. And then Sheba say she da go do it. Bro, no sense. Alkaline and Keyman, bro. Alkaline at the forward. Yeah, call Cartel name, yes, but it now go when you call Alkaline name is a different thing. Put Alkaline on a timeline and you see the difference, bro. You understand? Alkaline. The man not even in the media. The man not even in the media and the man name I call up the most, brother. So it shows say you are the man of the Keyman, bro. If Alkaline job Keyman and it make every artist want diss him now want in a war mode. What that tell us? No sense, people. You understand? No sense. You see me? But people don't know when I media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.